So I will start by adding my all-purpose baking flour and cocoa powder and sieving that into my bowl. Then to that I will add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I'll continue sieving that in. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix that together. I will now start separating my egg whites from my egg yolks, and for this case I will only use 3 eggs. Now to my egg whites, I will start beating them using my mixer until they are frothy enough. Now my egg whites are ready. I will start adding my sugar in bits and mixing that. Okay, mix that until you get that consistency that you like. And yeah. Now that is ready, I'll start adding my egg yolks. I will add my egg yolks and mix that. And to that I will add 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, and mix. I will add melted butter, continue mixing. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is an alternative for vinegar. So if you don't have lemon juice, add vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, add lemon juice. Then I will start adding my dry ingredients in bits. I add, I mix, I add, I mix. I will continue mixing that, then add my buttermilk and mix until I have that consistency that I love. Now my mixture is ready. I'm going to add it to my baking tin and bake that for 40 minutes at 180. My cake is now ready after 40 minutes. I will put it on my working tray and let it cool down completely. Okay, you don't want to decorate your cake until it's cooled completely. So now for the whipping cream, I'll be using this liquid one and icing sugar. If you don't have the liquid one, you can use the powdered one as an alternative, which is so good, especially if you don't have a fridge. Add 1 cup of the same to your bowl and start beating. Beat that, and when it's thick, add your icing sugar and continue mixing everything properly until it's thick enough, okay? Now I will start making my chocolate shavings using this chocolate. I prefer using my knife because it does it really well and fast. So just follow as you can see. And yeah, that's it. Now my shavings are ready. I will put them aside. Take my cake that is already cool, cut the top layer to even it out, okay, and slice the rest into 3 equal parts. To my first layer, I will apply some whipped cream on it. Yeah. And after I'm done with that, I will add my shavings and then place the second layer and do the same on it. It is advisable to add some sugar syrup on each of the layer before you apply some whipped cream on it to enhance the moisture. I used the rest of the whipped cream to decorate the top of my cake using my piping bag. I'm not good at it, so after that, I now started applying the rest of my shavings at the sides of my cake. Yeah, and at the center, okay, as you can see. After that, I took the sweets and decorated the rest of it. I didn't have the cherries, so the sweets are an alternative, okay? Then put your cake in your fridge for around 10 minutes for every flavor to settle in together. It is now time to cut our cake. Can you see that? It is so moist. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. You can see every layer has evened out really well. Yeah, and that's it for cake. Let us now do the testing. Okay. I cannot believe this. It is sweet. Oh my god. And that's it for this video. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell that comes right after subscribing. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, please share, like, comment what you think, and that's it. Bye. I love you all, and do not forget to subscribe.